CYBERPOWERPC Gamer Ultra GUA590. Reviewed discount unbox and setup. This is my first gaming PC, and it is huge. I come from a Surface Pro 3, so imagine the jump in performance. I live in Japan, so I had to buy a 3-prong to 2-prong adapter for the power cable, but it has been working like a charm. I'm happy to say that instead of receiving an AMD FX 8320, 3.5, as advertised, I received an FX 8350, which is obviously faster, 4.0. I have been testing it and so far this has been the best investment I've made in a while. The included keyboard is great, the mouse too, but I love trackballs so it will be stored as backup. For content creation I've used Filmora, OBS and Magix Music Studio, without any problems. For gaming I've ran the following games on high settings, again, with no problems whatsoever: Chivalry, Medieval Warfare, Rainbow Six Vegas 2, The Forest, Total War, Shogun 2, Arma 2, and Operation Arrowhead, Days, Standalone, Hardland, Overgrowth, Sword with Sauce and Mount and Blade, Warband. I bought a monitor too for it but I haven't received it yet. In the meantime I'm using the First Games 15 USB powered monitor through HDMI. Make sure when you receive it to verify that all the cables are properly hooked and to click the check for updates button a few times before start downloading all your favorite programs. Special discounts on product. Get the discount link in the description box.